Hello, fifth grade, and happy first day of multiplying 2 and 3 digit numbers for Wake Up this week. If you look at my screen, you will see that we have one problem written three different ways. We have 261 times 72 with the dot. We have 261 times 72 with the multiplication sign or the X. And we have 261 times 72 with the parentheses. They all mean we're multiplying 261 times 72. This is obviously a rewrite because we cannot solve showing our work in any of these formats. So we're going to rewrite this problem. And as our first point says here, we're going to rewrite with the number with the most digits on top. So 261 has more digits than 72. So I'm going to rewrite that on top. When we are ready to solve then, we are going to look to see how many multipliers we have. If you look at the bottom row, we can see that we have two multipliers. If we have two multipliers, that means, so looking at our second bullet point here, two multipliers on the bottom means you will have two rows of numbers to add. So when I'm all done multiplying, I should have two numbers of rows to add up. If I'm going to go ahead and multiply it, I'm going to start with this 2, and I'm going to multiply it by all the numbers above. So 2 times 1 is 2. I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to multiply it by the next number over, which is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. I'm going to put down the 2 and carry the 1. And then I'm going to multiply the 2 by the last number, which is also a 2, and then add the 1. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I now have 522 for my first row. Our next bullet point says, when done with the first multiplier, cross it off. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off the 2 so I no longer have to use it. And my next bullet point says, cross off all of the carrying numbers. So I just had one carrying number there. The next bullet point says add a place value holder. So I'm going to add a place value holder right underneath the 2 so that I know I don't have to put a number there. Next thing then, I'm ready to multiply by my second number, the 7. So I'm going to multiply the 7 by the 1s. 7 times 1 is 7. I'm going to make sure I'm stacking carefully so that the numbers are lined up on top of one another. After I multiply 7 by 1, I'm going to multiply 7 by 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So I'm going to put down the 2 and carry the 4. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 more is 18. And since I have nothing else to multiply, I'm going to write my 18 down. Last thing I do is I add them all together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 and nothing is 8. 1 and nothing is nothing. Count in 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3, and put my comma. Final answer, 18,792. Going back up here to this bullet right here, it says 2 multipliers on the bottom means I will have 2 rows of numbers to add together. And look at here, I had 2 numbers of rows to add together. Take your time on your wake up, you guys and gals. Good luck.